The idea of trekking to Mount KANYI came together with a friend of mine. None of us went before, and we thought that, hey, why not? This is a good time. So we gathered a few more of our friends who enjoys hiking and who simply likes the idea of having an adventure. It was a really spontaneous idea. It was back in May, I think, where we briefly mentioned about the idea to each other, and we shared the same interests about this mountain, having really little news about it, and we don't see much photos and videos documented of it. And once we got all the plans ready and all the items settled, and off we went. This mountain is unique in the way it straddles with the Indonesian border, sharing the same ridge and offering a special point of place where you can be in two places at one time. This area is also a wildlife sanctuary zone where a forest ranger is placed to guard the area. He works closely with the forestry department to conserve the wildlife there. We hired him as our guide to bring us to the peak of Mount KANYI.
你上到上面不是？它有一个板度，然后它马来西亚印尼。
对，We have just reached Kampong Sebakor area, so this is the start of the trail up to the base camp. And behind me you can see the rest of the gang are all gathered together, so we're just waiting for everyone, and then we are on our way up to the base camp, which is around 600 meters elevation. So I think the difficult part will be going through the waterfall, so I think it should be alright. Today's weather is very nice. This is quite a dense forest, and this forest is actually quite less trodden by. You don't see a lot of trekkers coming here, and the tough thing about this forest is it's all uphill. You don't get a lot of flats. Continue walking first, and I think still have about an hour or so to go. Okay. Can hear the waterfall sound already from here, so I think we are quite near to the base camp already. We'll be staying one night at the base camp, camping style. I brought along my sleeping bag. Hope we can get some good rest. Can't wait for dinner. So this is the base camp at 600 meters. Oh, it's really tough. My shoulders are aching now. So we're going to our rooms. Wow, hi, hello. Oh, Nasa Ben. Tony, alright, hi. So a short tour of this base camp. This is called Pgytech ND. This is where the ranger stays. So some journals here, some about his work, general wildlife survey, and going into the base camp. You have extra more rooms here, some mattresses left by the rangers, and this is a dining area, common area, and this is also a place where people can lay down their mattresses and sleep. Another dining area over there, and we have kitchen here. So very basic, using firewood. Bananas here. And, this is the bathroom and the toilet. Toilet here. Very basic, but it's okay. At least there's running water here. Oh, excellent. Going further towards the back part, we have another 2 sections of bedrooms. Looks like open chalets. Yeah, having our camp set up here. My sleeping bag will be set up here as well, and we have our own ensuite shower here. See? Ooh, cool running water, nice.
I'm caught in this moment.
1,000 meters.
Let it slip away. Windows wide open. Clear skies, no chance of rain. And I can't imagine wanting more.
So we have another 200 meters up to reach the peak of Mount KANYI. That will be about 1,570 meters above sea level. Our guide is far away in front. He and another teacher, both of them, they hike really fast. 1,400 meters. So another 100 meters. Okay, let's go. We have reached the peak of Mount KANYI. So this side is Indonesia, this side is Malaysia.
The beach, this ukulele.